claim free USD coin. This website is new website. This interface and solve the captcha and claim now. This website is free website, no need any deposit. It's free earning. Only solve the captcha and claim now. This website is login your faucetpay wallet Gmail. Again this interface. So I solve the captcha and claim now. To click here, look at friends, this coin is sent my faucetpay wallet. So again claim, click here to OK and go to claim. Scroll down. This captcha is solved. Again claim now. I'm waiting for captcha. This captcha is automatically solved. Then again claim. So captcha is solved and click here, claim now. Look at friend, this coin is sent. I cut the ads. Is been sent your faucetpay account. This coin is sent my faucetpay wallet. Friend, you just join the website and earn free USDT coin. No deposit. It's free. This website name. Search the Google and this interface. Go to claim, click here to again claim and solve the captcha and claim now. Friend, check the coin, back the faucetpay wallet. I check coin receive my faucetpay wallet. To click here to user dashboard, then scroll down. Look at this coin is received. Website name. Friend, join the website, earn free USDT coin.